Hey everybody, it is Cheryl, the activity author, and yep, it's just like the name. I'm an author of 2 books, and I like to create kids' crafts and activities, and my crafts are usually made by household items, so this should be very easy, very simple for y'all to do. Now, I know why y'all here to see some Halloween stuff, but don't forget, if y'all like this video, I got some more Halloween stuff that y'all can check out. Click the link below. Now, let's go ahead and get into my top 10 Halloween crafts of 2022. Leg up. What a wonderful world. Real quick, just wanted you to know this list is not in any particular order. I'm just listing 10 things that I like. All right, okay. And I won't be talking this entire video, so only when I got something to say. But yeah, check this out. Y'all know I got templates like this on my website, right? From previous videos. Y'all can take my old templates and turn them into Halloween crafts, and I'm gonna show you how right now. Because I wanted to make this an independent craft, I pre-sectioned out the tape and I put it on this storage container that was on the table, and my daughter is basically putting the tape wherever she wants and creating her very own mummy. All right, I hope y'all like this one. Very simple, very easy. My daughter had fun putting it together, and she's only 4, so your kid would too. Let's go ahead and move on to the next craft. So grab a party hat. If you don't have a party hat, you can make one out of construction paper. Just do this. Grab some construction paper, cut a semicircle out on it just like this. Try to make it as symmetrical as possible because you're going to fold down the 2 straight ends like this to meet, and then you're going to staple it or tape it together so that way it stays and you got yourself a party hat. Alright, so we're going to revisit back to the template idea of turning my templates into Halloween crafts. So I bet y'all can guess what we're going to turn this cape into. Duh, y'all just saw the title, so y'all already know we're turning this into a cute ghost craft. I actually really like the way this one turned out, so keep watching and you can do it too. Alright, so you see this next one is a play or an extension of one that I did before. Y'all remember this reel? I got it somewhere on the channel, but I did this last year and I wanted to do another tissue mummy. So here's the new way that I'm doing that. Now, if you're going for the abominable snowman, you're done, but go ahead and draw some lines on top of this to give it that ultimate mummy look so it looks like wraps, and then you're done, okay? So I was looking at this one and I was like, this looks like a witch hand. So I'm going to show y'all how to make a witch's hand with the same concept. All right, do me a favor, guys, before you go. If you made it this far, I want you to comment below which one of these crafts are your favorite and which one you cannot wait to make this holiday season. Also, make sure y'all give this video a like if this definitely inspired you to make some fun, easy crafts with your kids. And make sure you guys check out my other videos. They are linked down below so you can get some more Halloween inspiration. All right, guys, but don't leave yet. We got more videos on the way, so just click one of these videos here to keep the party going, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.